Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be making a snack that is awesome for winter, and you can make it anytime, and it's super easy, and it will take a matter of minutes, and it will keep your body all warm winter. This recipe is called potato with flaxseed dipping. So let's get started. So the ingredients that we're going to need for this recipe is 1 potato. So what you're going to need this potato is you're going to wash this potato. Then you're going to boil it. And then you don't make it cold. Please, I beg you, do not make it cold. Make it stay warm before you peel it. Also, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of Berbere or chili powder. And you're going to need a few tablespoons of flaxseed. And you guys can make this, you can just add butter, make it non-vegan, but I'm going to use olive oil today and make it vegan so everyone can enjoy. And lastly, we're going to need some salt. So the first thing we're going to do is we have our potato our peeler. So I'm just going to peel the potato skins off. It'd be much more easier since it's boiled because when it's boiled, it's so much easier to get out. See? So easy. See? Okay, so now I finished peeling my potato and it looks like this, and I washed it up too. And now we're just going to move on to our dip. So first I'm going to talk about this flaxseed. So I just bought the raw flaxseed, and then I roasted it, and then I grinded it, and it's here. But you can also buy it roasted and then grind it. Which is what you can do. It's your choice. You can do whatever you want with the flaxseed. So I'm just going to get 1 or 2 tablespoons of flaxseed in this mixture. 2 spoons of flaxseed. And then I'm going to put my berbere or chili powder. And then I'm going to put a sprinkle of salt. And then I'm going to put some of my olive oil. Or you can put your butter, like I said. And I'm going to mix. And you can also use the oil to gradually put it until it becomes like a liquid. So I put some oil. I put my olive oil, and then what I think I forgot to tell you is you're also going to need some cold water. I'm just going to put it a little bit in here and then mix it together. So it all looks nice. My water. This is super easy. If you're a kid, you don't have to ask your mother to make this for you, because this takes a matter of minutes. This is a perfect after school snack. My dipping sauce, and it looks like this. You want it thick like this because it's a dipping sauce. Now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my potato into pieces. So it's what you want is you want your potato to be like fries. So you're just gonna cut it like this is. I like to do it this way. You just cut it like this. So you just cut it just like fries because you want it to have that. And now you just cut it like this. So it's like fries, except it's not fries. It's fries, but not fries at the same time. Now I cut my potatoes, and it looks like this. So now I'm just going to plate it in. Nice, beautiful. So now there you have it. This easy potatoes with dipping. So now I'm going to taste this, but not only with me, with my sister. Hello. And I can't wait to try to make this awesome recipe. But wait, guys, if you make this, try to make this a wonderful recipe. And in the comments below, tell us how you find it. Is it tasty? Is it tasty? Does it taste awesome? So let's taste. Cheers. Cheers. This tastes so good. Yeah, it's very, very good. This is a healthy dessert too because potatoes make you so warm and awesome. So, we hope you enjoy. What do you think, Beza? I think it's very good. It's very tasty. It makes me feel a little warm inside. And it's very, very good for the winter season. So, we hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share with all your friends and family, and click on the notification bell below so you miss any of our awesome new videos. And don't just watch this video, make it. Bye!